My name is Mark Newman. I run the hose doctor division within the Tidyco business. It's a great place to work, been with the company nearly 10 years now. Tidyco is primarily a hydraulics company, and we also do pneumatics, climate control and hose doctor. My hose doctor division specialises in 365 days, 24/7 on-site hose replacement, as well as being able to support hydraulic systems on site too. Tidyco is a Parker Hannifin distributor, and as part of that, Hose Doctor is their mobile on-site hose replacement service. So we have a team of experienced hydraulic engineers that can be on site within the hour, working with our partners across the UK. We have a high success rate, a first-time fix of 95%. Our engineers are equipped with state-of-the-art vans that have a swager machine, saw, and all the relevant Parker hose and fittings as required. The engineers have 24/7 stock visibility on their vans and within our main warehouse to cut down on downtime. We can also cover the whole of the UK as part of the National Hose Doctor Network. The journey of a call out, the customer can either call the office, email us, or use our unique online portal to place their own job on our system.
First thing is call from a customer to try and get as much detail as possible, so when the engineer arrives on site, he's got a good idea of what machine is going to, what parts he might need.
All of our call-outs are emergency, and we would dispatch the nearest engineer as required as quickly as possible to prevent downtime for the customer.
When the engineer accepts a job, the customer then receives another email saying the engineer's on his way.
The engineer will arrive on site and assess the situation. Once the job's completed,
I'd forward across a copy of a job sheet to a customer after review. All the details will be on there of what work was carried out, what parts have been used.
Tidyco Hose Doctor also offer a dedicated on-site container service with a swager machine, saw and all the relevant stock required as per the customer requirements. What makes our hose repair service unique is our ongoing investment in IT systems. We have an online portal where you can track all of your jobs, so live jobs, jobs that have been completed, all the job sheets are stored in there for you to view. You can see all the pricing information, so it's very clear cut. So for the customer to process their own job online, they would go onto our portal. All we need is site contact, the address, and a brief description of the fault, and we'll dispatch an engineer within an hour. Once the customer has an emergency and they place a call out with us, we will inform you at every stage of the job, from giving you an ETA to job completion to receiving the job sheet.
Our focus is to keep the customer informed along every stage, so from when I take a call, I give them the best possible ETA, viewing the engineer's whereabouts, taking everything into account, ensuring we can get an engineer on site as quick as possible.